a solution to fix ChatGPT's at capacity right now. There's obviously one way, one made a lot of people are suggesting, which is works sometimes, but what I suggest and what I tested to work even better is to go and play and use Playground OpenAI instead of refreshing, because that's one way to fix ChatGPT is at capacity right now, is to just refresh the page or Control R. That's another way. Control R, you can refresh. But another way is to use platform OpenAI.com. Just same company, different AI. That it's even better, I believe, and it's free and it's not at capacity at any time. It's always there to help you. So yeah, OpenAI.com, Playground. Make sure you go. I'll actually copy this link and leave it in the description of this video so you don't have to search. And I hope, guys, this video will help you and just showed you a different way to use ChatGPT, but using Playground, it's even better. And I hope you learn something. So thank you for watching and take care.